Hello and welcome to another fun Friday. We are learning how to play I'm a Believer by the Monkees. Remember, this is not a piano tutorial, it's the notes of how I remember how to play the song in my band. If this is the sort of thing you like and subscribe, always appreciated. First thing to say, you'll see 3s, 2s and 1s written on here, and that is just to do with the way that I label which version of G I'm playing. So 1 is the normal G, and then effectively 2 is C, but it's where you move from the G position, you move up. The top notes, the top 2 notes go up, and again the 3. 1, 2, 3. And what I will often do is on the 1 I will roll the B flat onto the B. There's no black note there, so I don't roll that one, but on 3 I do roll the C sharp onto the D. So the intro is 3-3-2-2-1. Probably play that a bit higher. Then your guitarist takes over, down, 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 down. And then you're into the verse, which is pretty much sort of holding down these chords. G, G, C, G. And then when you get to the D, start on D and F, add the A, and then hit the top D. Now you're into the chorus, and for this I just like to do that pattern 1, 1, 2. And then you eventually get to I'm in love, ooh, and then you wait and then play the C, join in with the C. The D is in brackets because that's what the guitarist does. You can play the D at the start if you want to, but don't play that chord, it's supposed to be empty. The solo you can see at the top you will probably want to learn, but as a reminder I just put those 2 G's, then a little gap, and then G, F, D, D, D. That's what fast means. Same pattern but faster, and do it twice. After the solo, you can see on the left where it says solo and there's a little arrow. That's because that's where it comes into the verse. It doesn't go right to the start of the verse after it, so you're straight into. D run. There you go, nice and easy. Remember, like and subscribe, always appreciated. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.